My husband takes aspirin because it was prescribed by his doctor. It's 81 milligrams and they are super tiny. It also has a safety cap and look how small they are. Very easy to take with a glass of water. Now these are in the NSAID family, and let me show you close up so you can see what it looks like. All you have to do is push down on the cap and turn. This is what the pills look like. They're very small and they're also very easy to take. Look how tiny they are. Always make sure to speak with your physician before taking any medications, even if it's over the counter. And it's a really big bottle with lots and lots of pills. 1,000 of them. That's pretty good. It's gonna last him for a while. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.